Here are the 10 most expensive Rolex watches ever sold, whose prices could buy more than 10 Lamborghinis. The watch at number 1 is the most expensive watch in the world. Number 10. Paul Newman's Rolex Daytona. Paul Newman's Rolex Daytona set the record for the most expensive Rolex ever sold, achieving $17.8 million in 2017. Originally gifted by Newman's wife Joanne Woodward, the watch was worn during his racing career. After being gifted to a friend in 1984, it resurfaced in 2016, and its auction shattered records, making it the most significant Rolex sale. Number 9. Rolex Daytona Reference 6265 Unicorn. In 2018, the Rolex Daytona Reference 6265 Unicorn sold for $5.9 million. It's the only example ever produced in 18-karat white gold, making it a true unicorn in the Rolex world. The rare watch raised funds for charity, making its auction price even more meaningful. Number 8. Rolex Baudai Reference 6062. The Rolex Reference 6062 Baudai, owned by the last emperor of Vietnam, was sold for $5.1 million in 2017. Its black gloss dial and diamond markers made it a luxurious and historically significant piece. This sale remains one of the highest prices for a Rolex at auction. Number 7. 1969 Paul Newman Daytona Reference 6263. The 1969 Paul Newman Daytona Reference 6263, known as the Legend, sold for $3.7 million. With only 3 models made, its rarity, unique design, and striking dial made it one of the most coveted Rolexes in history. Number 6. Rolex Daytona Reference 6240 The Neanderthal. In 2018, the Rolex Daytona Reference 6240, nicknamed the Neanderthal, was sold for $3 million. This experimental prototype, with a screw-down pusher and early dial design, stands out as one of the rarest Daytonas, making its price significant. Number 5. Anti-Magnetique Reference 4113. Rolex's reference 4113 Anti-Magnetique chronograph sold for $2.4 million in 2016. Only 12 were ever made, and its historical ties to racing teams and drivers make it one of the most sought-after pieces in Rolex history. Number 4. Rolex GMT Master worn on Apollo 14. Sold for $2.1 million, the Rolex GMT Master worn by astronaut Edgar Mitchell during the Apollo 14 mission is one of the most historically important Rolex watches. Its connection to space exploration makes it a valuable collector's item. Number 3. 1969 Rolex Daytona Reference 6263. The 1969 Rolex Daytona Reference 6263, with a tropical oyster Sato dial, achieved $2 million in 2016. Known for its rare patina, it's one of the most iconic Paul Newman Daytonas. Number 2. Marlon Brando's Rolex GMT Master. Marlon Brando's GMT Master, worn during Apocalypse Now, fetched $1.95 million at auction. The engraving M. Brando on the back and its connection to the actor make it a rare and valuable collector's item. Number 1. Rolex Daytona Reference 6263 The Arabian Night. The Rolex Daytona Reference 6263 Arabian Night, customized for the Middle Eastern market, fetched $1.65 million in 2018. Its Arabic numerals and unique design make it one of the most distinct Daytonas.